Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to edit an existing contact in the KW command system using Kelle. It's really pretty easy to do, and we're going to do that with voice commands for Kelle to start with, and then there is some information that we're actually going to have to type. And Kelle has listened here for my voice, so I'm going to have to tell her not to listen to do that. There we go, she doesn't know what we're talking about here. Find John Smith in command. And here's my John Smith that I've got in my KW command database. Now I'm going to tap on these three little dots over here to the right under John's name, and then we'll tap on Edit Contact. That's where we can edit the contact information for John here. And then here it's really simple. We're just going to type in the information that we want to add to his profile. That's not exactly our number, but I already had that on another contact there. We can also, update his status from connected to captured. Right now, those are the only statuses there. We can add a note here. Oops. Not the 14th, the 13th. And then we can also add them to groups here separated by commas. And groups in command seem to be behaving very similar to tags. That's why they've got them separated by commas here. So this could be test. Buyer, and then it's adding them to the list down here. So we'll save that up here in the top right corner. And now I've got that new information for John. And you notice now his phone number here and the text message number here are blacked in. That means that I can do, the phone icon and the text message icon are blacked in here. That means that I can call or text him if I wanted to. That's how you can edit a contact really easily within Kelle, the one that's already in KW Command. If you have any questions about that, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.